Friday, October 10th, and the Muskeg Tractor Bombardier is outside the shop. Dad's got a test running. He would have gotten the wiring done here holiday weekend, so he's got to run to town real quick for some parts, but it sounds pretty good. And he got a little more cleanup yet to do. What do you think?
I need a water temperature and a volt gauge.
Okay.
Back.
Yeah. So Dad's got to go run for parts in town for those gauges, and we're gonna sit here and do a quick video, but then we're gonna feed the dogs. Monday's Thanksgiving in Canada, so Dad needs to get these parts or he's shut down completely till Tuesday. So but it's out of the shop and it is running and it sounds pretty good. He would have gotten all the rest of the wiring done other than those two gauges. And one of the things I do like is the new seats. They sure look nice. So likely what's going to happen is he's going to bring this back into the shop. We don't have the windows yet. We took the windows down to Winnipeg to get fixed, and we can't leave this out overnight. But sure looking, well, he's got to do the cleanup in here, but if that's the last thing he's got to do on the 74, then we'll be putting this one for sale as soon as we get the windows up. So, sound of the motor going. Dad might do some more fine tuning yet. I'm really happy this one's getting done because I really want him to get the other one done now. Both will be for sale. This one's a diesel, belongs to the client, and the other one belongs to us, and it's going to be gas. You can buy them both or individually, but as a pair we'll give you a bit of a discount. I got to talk with Dad about the pricing. There's the Canadian dollars versus US dollars conversion, so if you guys are buying from the US, you might find you get a bit of a better deal, but it's going to be priced in Canadian dollars. And yeah, so pretty happy this is out of the shop. Dogs are excited, and I just got to go feed them and I'll come back. So I'm gonna show you guys something I do, a little cheat trick I do here. I just take my leaf blower, and when Dad's not around, this is how I clean the shop. It kicks up a lot of dust, but he hates when I do this when he's around because he doesn't like the dust. But honest to God, it is the only way I can get all the little nooks and crannies. And while he's not here, I'm gonna do some blow out some of this crap, but can't do it in the shop when he's painting either. So the dogs don't like it, and the cat's not too fond of it either. But I'm just gonna do some quick leaf blowing in the shop to get all the dust, and then hopefully Dad gives me a couple more minutes before he's back from the part shop. So Dad just got back and he's crawled back in. And don't know what he's going to do here. Probably move it back into the shop. And he's going to get it going here. So he was able to make the part shop right away. And now he's just moving it back into the shop for tonight. And that'll be it until tomorrow. So she's operational. She's moving pretty good, and Dad is going to put in those extra gauges now, and he will work on that in the next couple of days here, and that's that. So we'll check in with you guys tomorrow. And there's our old Charles in charge. He just crawled out of his doghouse, and he's gonna have his second Yummies bar. Loves these treats. And our Filipino Emily, she's got her second treat. She's hiding it right now because those other dogs might come, and she doesn't want to share her treats. I caught her going over here yesterday to hide from the other dogs with her treat. So this is their favorite treat, is the Yummies bar. Get it at Costco. Oh, I just love this time of day.